Unilever lathers up, buying Dollar Shave Club. Unilever is slicing its way into the razor business in a big way, acquiring Dollar Shave Club for a reported $1 billion. With the acquisition, Unilever will significantly enhance its men's grooming business. The company currently owns Axe and Dove soaps, but Dollar Shave Club not only will add its trademark razors, but a portfolio of products from skin and hair care to wipes and soaps. Dollar Shave Club burst into the grooming business with a subscription model that takes direct aim at giants such as Procter & Gamble's Gillette and Edgewell's Schick by undercutting them on price and with home delivery. Dollar Shave Club says it has 3.2 million members, Unilever said Wednesday. Its razor subscriptions start at $1 per month plus an additional $2 in shipping and go up to $9 per month. In addition to razors, Dollar Shave Club also offers Unilever another piece it has been lacking, the direct-to-consumer model. Dollar Shave Club is an innovative and disruptive male grooming brand with incredibly deep connections to its diverse and highly engaged consumers, Keith Cruz, president of Unilever North America, said in a statement. We plan to leverage the global strength of Unilever to support Dollar Shave Club in achieving its full potential in terms of offering and reach. Terms of the deal were not disclosed, but Fortune, citing multiple sources close to the deal, says Unilever will be paying $1 billion in cash. Dollar Shave Club will continue to run as an independent company inside Unilever, with Michael Dubin remaining as CEO. Dollar Shave Club recently closed a $160 million round of funding, valuing the company at $539 million. The company was expected to turn a profit later this year behind revenues of $240 million. I think it was a strong philosophical meeting of the minds about how big this company could be and how Unilever could help, said David Pacman, a board member at Dollar Shave Club and partner at Vendrock, one of the venture capital firms behind the company. They are somewhat unique in that they are one of the largest consumer packaged goods companies in the world, but they have no razor products portfolio at all. Unilever expects the deal to close in the third quarter. Its shares were basically unchanged Wednesday, closing down 4 cents, or 0.9%, to $46.94. Follow Eli Blumenthal on Twitter at @LBlumenthal.